The 3M ScaleGard HFRO-F800 reverse osmosis system uses a blending valve to mix a small amount of untreated feed water back into the purified RO water. This is done so the final water has the correct mineral content, TDS, for beverage equipment, like espresso machines, coffee brewers, and fountain systems. RO water by itself is typically 0,10 ppm TDS, which is too pure for many applications. The blending valve raises it to the desired level. Step by step, adjust the TDS level. Locate the blending valve, found on the product water outlet side of the RO manifold, usually labeled blend or mineral adjustment. Typically A. Small knob or screw valve 2. Measure current TDS. Use a handheld TDS meter. Run water from the system for 30-60 seconds. Collect a sample. Measure the current TDS reading. Typical readings before adjustment. RO only, 5 to 15 ppm. With blending, 40–120 ppm 3. Adjust the blend. Valve, turn the blending valve slowly. Adjustment result. Turn. Clockwise, close. Less raw water. Lower. TDS turn, counterclockwise. Open. More raw water. Higher. TDS make small adjustments. 1–8. Turn. Flush system after each adjustment. Run water for 1 to 2 minutes. Retest the TDS. Repeat until desired level is reached. The system needs time for the new blend ratio to stabilize. Recommended TDS targets. These are common targets used in beverage equipment. Application: target TDS espresso, machine 70–90. ppm bean to cup, coffee 80, 120. ppm coffee. Brewers 90, 120. ppm ice machines 40 70. ppm fountain beverage system, top bind audit. ppm technician tips from field service experience. Always check feed water TDS first. Example: feed water, Rio 250 ppm RO permeate. 10 pma, small amount of bypass water will dramatically raise TDS. If TDS will not increase, possible causes: blend valve clogged with scale, membrane damaged, check valve stuck, feed water pressure too low if TDS keeps drifting, often caused by tank mixing effects, membrane aging, inconsistent feed pressure. Pro tip when dialing these systems in for coffee. Equipment: set TDS to 90 ppm. Let system run 5 to 10 minutes, recheck and fine-tune. This prevents over-adjustment. I thank you for watching.